Assalamu alaikum, Ajmain, sharing a very great home remedy with you. I have been deficient in calcium and vitamin D from your body. Will completely remove the iron in the body if you are anemic. If there is a shortage, it removes it too. The reason for all these shortcomings: we feel tired all the time, there is pain in the back, there is pain in the joints. If there is pain, just drink made from this powder daily. Inshallah, all your pain will go away. So let's make it. When we start, we first use whatever dry fruits we use here. We will roast them a little bit so that the moisture will go out, which increases their shelf life. So without adding ghee, we have to roast them here. I have two. It is about 50 to 60 grams of the cup and they are taken. We'll roast on slow inches. Macane is a great source of calcium. And because calcium is found in them in good quantity, it is very beneficial for bones as well as protein and fiber in it. Being a very good quantity is found in protein. It was roasted on low and medium flame and constantly stirred. The moisture has evaporated during the process. Now we need to take them out and let them cool for a while. You set everything aside. Now you put half a cup, meaning 100 grams, into the same pan. Almonds are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They also help control our bodily functions and regulate our blood sugar. They help control our cholesterol level as well, which is beneficial for our heart. So don't ignore the almonds. Now you need to roast this as well for 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. After that, take them out as well and let them rest for a while. Now put half a cup, roughly 100 grams of roasted chickpeas into the same pan. Roasted chickpeas increase our body's hemoglobin. If there is a lack of hemoglobin in the body, we feel tired and lethargic. So chickpeas are very beneficial for this and also for having healthy hair. It is also very beneficial to keep our hair strong. Blood sugar is also maintained. And if there is a deficiency of iron in the body, then it is very beneficial and very beneficial for our heart. Overalls are very nutritive. These roasted chickpeas are just here. For 1.5 to 2 minutes, I dry roasted them and they too. Now I have taken it out, about 14 to 15 knives. They will take dried dates. These are the seeds we have to take out. Here we have to use dried chickpeas, not dates, because whatever ingredients we use here should be dry seeds. They will take them out and cut them into small pieces so that you will grind in the mix. Now you will take the jar of maxi. They will put it in it because it is filled with jars. So I'll grind the mass first. The rest of the ingredients will do later. I'll add it. So here I've grinded the masks. There is enough space. Now we will put the rest of the things in it. So we will put almonds with buttermilks. For now it is a little cold. We've gone and we'll add only after it cools down. And with that we will put roasted chickpeas with us, that too. Put it, and now half a cup, that is about 100 grams in it. If you are a sugar patient, you will put the masri if you want. Can skip well in small quantity and low quantity if there is any sugar patient. So he is also using masri for our digestion. It is very good and boosts energy, which makes you feel tired. I won't put ajwain in a tablespoon as well as ajwain in it. Improves our digestion. If there is a problem of bloating, it will make it. It also removes acidity. Prevents and is also very beneficial in cough and cold. And also controls our cholesterol levels with 2 teaspoons. It will be added to the soup, that is dry ginger powder. It will also be universal medicine, called because it's a natural pain color, and our bone aches. If there is a menstrual pan, it is also in the headache. It's very beneficial to grind all these ingredients smoothly at once. You've made a fine powder, and if you want, you can grind it in 2 rounds too. In this way, our extremely healthy powder is prepared, and in this way, this is a very potent powder we have made. If you lack calcium in your body, if you lack vitamin D, you have pain in the head, pain in the joints, pain in the stomach, then this is an amazing cure for it. Now you have to store this inside an airtight container. The container should be completely dry. It should be completely dried. You can store it at room temperature for about 1.5 to 2 months. It doesn't go bad at all. In this way, our calcium and vitamin D rich powder, which is very beneficial for us, is ready. I will tell you how to consume it. You need about 200 milliliters of milk, almost 1 cup. I am using boiling hot milk here, but if you want, you can also use lukewarm milk. The choice of milk depends on you. Since we've used masri in this powder, there's no need to add any sugar or honey. Yes, if you've skipped the masri, you can use it as is, or if you wish, you can add in honey or the like. You need to have this powder once a day, either 1 hour after breakfast in the morning or 1 hour after your night meal. Take this powder 1 hour after a meal.
The information provided here is for general informational purposes only and should not be considered as professional medical advice. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Ayurvedic practices and remedies may not be suitable for everyone, and individual results may vary. If you have a medical condition or are pregnant or nursing, please consult a qualified healthcare practitioner before using any Ayurvedic products or treatments.